Hello dear aspirant, in this video we are going to discuss daily 5 multiple choice questions and answers. You can follow my YouTube channel for current affairs. Question 1. Samriddhi Strategic Acceleration for Market, Research, Innovation and Development was launched in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Odisha, C. Punjab, D. Rajasthan. Answer is C. Punjab. Second question. Anumula Revant has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of which state? A. Telangana, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Mizoram. Answer is A. Telangana. Third question. The famous Keshavananda Bharati judgment was delivered in which year? A. 1973, B. 1976, C. 1992, D. 1998.